In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay someone in Splitwise. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up Splitwise. And now I'm in an account that owes money. So it says here overall I owe $25. One thing to note, you can't pay someone directly inside Splitwise. They don't allow for that at this point in time. So what you need to do is, say for my case, I owe Splitwise $25, so I can either send them via bank transfer or give them cash when I see them next, etc. So that's the only way you can pay back your bill. Once you have paid back your bill, you can go to where it says here, and it says here I owe $25 to Splitwise. So we need to click on the settle up button, and then it says here you owe $25, so click into that. And then as it states here, record payment, you paid Splitwise $25. So then click on the tick button. And then once we go back to the home page here, it says here, you're all set it up for these expenses. So I currently owe no one.